Meditation is both a process and an outcome. This is very important to understand because we, most of the time, get stuck with the outcomes of our activities. So when we say, I can't meditate, what we're saying, basically, I cannot get the outcome to be in a meditative space when I go into the process of meditation. But like everything else in life, when you go to the gym to build muscle, you don't go and build muscle and you go to the gym and come out with a muscle. It takes time. You have to practice the muscle. As the muscle gets stronger, it grows. That's the process of meditation. Just to sit there and observe your thoughts. And when you focus on one point, that it could be your breath, when the mind goes away, instead of punishing myself because I'm not meditating, I should reward myself. Because when I become aware that I'm not being present with my breath, that's the moment. That's the moment you start meditating. The first step to meditation is observe your mind and see what your mind is doing. And then we learn to disengage from what the mind is doing to come back to center. All the suffering that you experience in your life is only in your mind. It's all here, right? My suffering is in my own mind and yours is in yours. So to be able to stop that suffering, it's important to stop that machine that is creating stories all day long. And for that, meditation is the key. Suffering is not only extreme pain. Suffering is stress, anxiety, feeling overwhelmed, anger, being worried about the future, remembering the past, or feeling uncertain, or sometimes just a feeling of uneasiness in your body. All of that is suffering. So it goes from very little to very high. In the degree we learn to still our mind and reduce the volume of that voice that is in our head all day long, we can move away from that pain. And as we become master of that, we not only move away from that suffering, we can even free ourselves from the constrictions of the mind and transcend our mind and body. And perhaps become awakened at one point in 1,000 lives. Om Namah Shivaya, everyone. Have a beautiful day, beautiful weekend. I'm running a 5-week meditation course. It's a program where we learn all of this and we learn 5 different meditation techniques. And it's designed for inner peace, but also for spiritual growth. So we bring a deep element of spirituality. So if you want to learn more about this stuff, especially if it's challenging for you to meditate, or if you are advanced, this will also help you because it will bring mantras. We will incorporate breathing and then more advanced mantras and daily practice. So every week I will share with you one practice, one video for you to follow every day. So we have 5 different videos and different practices for you to follow. So we start advancing together with this practice. And the idea is that you can develop a daily practice that is achievable and that slowly start developing the new brain patterns for you to start learning how to meditate. Okay? Have a beautiful day and I'll hope to see you soon. And if you're interested, please let me know how we can talk about that course, it starts like in 2 weeks. It's going to be online on Mondays evening or Tuesday morning. So you have 2 timetables to choose from. Okay? Talk to you soon. Much love.